When you write about a book, an article, or any text, how do you prove your points? The answer: evidence. Today, we'll explore how to find and analyze textual evidence, use it effectively in writing, and support arguments and research with strong examples. Using evidence from texts makes your writing more credible, persuasive, and insightful. Before we dive into examples, let's break down some important terms. Textual evidence, quotations, summaries, or paraphrases from a text that support your ideas. Analysis, breaking down text to explain its meaning or significance. Reflection, connecting ideas from the text to your own experiences, opinions, or insights. Research, using multiple sources to support a deeper understanding of a topic. Now, let's see how to apply these concepts in real writing situations. Let's start with a basic example, writing about a theme in a novel. Imagine you're analyzing the theme of courage in To Kill a Mockingbird. Your thesis: Atticus Finch demonstrates moral courage by defending Tom Robinson. Now, you need evidence to support this claim. A strong piece of evidence would be, but there is one way in this country in which all men are created equal. There is one human institution that makes a pauper the equal of a Rockefeller, the stupid man the equal of an Einstein. That institution, gentlemen, is a court. This quote supports your argument because it shows Atticus standing up for justice despite public opposition. Using direct evidence like this makes your analysis stronger. Now, let's look at how textual evidence strengthens an argument. You're writing an essay about the impact of social media on mental health. You find an article that states, studies show that excessive social media use is linked to higher rates of anxiety and depression among teenagers. To support your argument, you could summarize the study. Research suggests a strong connection between social media and increased anxiety. Use a direct quote. The article states, studies show that excessive social media use is linked to higher rates of anxiety and depression among teenagers. Paraphrase, excessive time on social media has been shown to contribute to mental health challenges. Each method supports your argument while avoiding plagiarism. Now, let's see how this applies in the real world. Imagine you're preparing a persuasive speech on climate change. You find two sources. A peer-reviewed scientific journal stating that global temperatures have risen by 1.2 degrees Celsius since pre-industrial times. A blog post claiming climate change is a myth, but with no cited sources. Which one should you trust? The scientific journal is more credible because it includes data and research. The blog lacks evidence and may be biased. Using verified evidence in persuasive writing ensures your message is strong and credible. Let's summarize what we've learned today. Textual evidence strengthens writing by supporting arguments. There are different ways to use evidence: quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing. Reliable sources matter. Always check for credibility. Whether you're analyzing literature, writing an argumentative essay, or researching for a speech, using strong evidence helps you create convincing and well-supported writing. Strong arguments are built on strong evidence. Let the text speak for itself.